Welcome to Luxury Lifestyle, your home for everything luxury, exclusive, and iconic. Today, we take you inside the glamorous world of the most expensive fashion brands in the world. These aren't just clothes, they're statements of power, wealth, and timeless elegance. From royal families to Hollywood elites, these brands dress the rich and famous. Get ready to discover which fashion empires dominate the luxury world in 2025. If you are dreaming of luxury or simply love style, this video is for you. Stay tuned till the end to see which brand tops the list, and why it's worth millions. Louis Vuitton, the crown jewel of luxury, founded in 1854 in Paris, Louis Vuitton is the gold standard of high fashion. Known for its LV monogram, the brand screams elegance and status. Their classic bags like the Neverfull and Speedy are worldwide symbols of wealth. Louis Vuitton has collaborated with artists like Supreme, Yayoi Kusama, and Pharrell Williams. A Louis Vuitton trunk can cost more than a luxury car. Their fashion shows are held in exotic global locations and draw A-list celebrities. The brand is currently worth over $50 billion, making it the world's most valuable fashion house. Chanel, timeless French elegance created by Coco Chanel in 1910, Chanel is synonymous with timeless sophistication. The Chanel No. 5 perfume is the most iconic scent in the world. Their quilted handbags and tweed suits are style symbols worn by royals and superstars. Chanel is famously exclusive, rarely offering discounts or online sales. The brand's haute couture dresses can cost up to $200,000 each. Chanel's elegant branding and mystery keep it a favorite among the world's elite. The estimated brand value stands at over $15 billion in 2025. Hermès, the brand of quiet billionaires established in 1837, Hermès is famous for handcrafted leather goods. The Birkin bag is considered the most exclusive and expensive handbag in the world. Some Birkins are auctioned for over $500,000 due to rarity and materials. Each Hermès item is made by hand, taking hours or even days to complete. The brand doesn't rely on advertising, exclusivity sells itself. Hermès represents quiet luxury, discreet but powerful. Its 2025 brand value is estimated at $18 billion. Gucci, Italian excellence with a modern twist. Founded in Florence in 1921, Gucci blends heritage with modern luxury. Known for bold prints, double G logo, and fearless fashion campaigns. Celebrities like Harry Styles, Rihanna, and Jared Leto wear Gucci worldwide. Their Dionysus bags, Ace sneakers, and GG belts are bestsellers in luxury. Gucci is popular among millennials and Gen Z for mixing streetwear with couture. Brand collaborations with Adidas and Balenciaga went viral. Gucci's brand value sits at over $17 billion in 2025. Dior, French luxury reimagined. Founded in 1946 by Christian Dior, the brand reshaped women's fashion after World War II. The new look silhouette changed how women dressed worldwide. Dior is now known for its luxury makeup, fragrances, and high fashion lines. The brand has become more youthful with ambassadors like Jimin and Rosé. Dior bags like the Lady Dior and Saddle bag are timeless pieces. Every runway show is an artistic spectacle of elegance and heritage. Dior's brand value is estimated at $12 billion in 2025. Prada, innovation meets luxury. Prada began in Milan in 1913 and redefined minimalist fashion. Known for sleek black nylon bags and sharp tailoring, Prada's designs often blend technology, art, and luxury. The brand introduced Re-Nylon, luxury recycled nylon for a greener future. Their shoes and handbags are favored by fashion-forward elites. Prada is also behind Miu Miu, a youthful, luxury label. As of 2025, Prada is worth more than $5 billion globally. Balenciaga, the bold and the controversial, founded by Spanish designer Cristobal Balenciaga in 1919. Known for breaking fashion rules with oversized silhouettes and edgy designs, Balenciaga became a Gen Z favorite for its futuristic streetwear. Collaborations with Kanye West and Fortnite skyrocketed its visibility. Sneakers like the Triple S and Track cost upwards of $1,000. The brand constantly pushes the boundaries of luxury. In 2025, Balenciaga's value continues to grow past $2 billion. Valentino, the red carpet favorite established in Rome in 1960, Valentino is all about dramatic elegance. The brand's signature red gowns are iconic at events like the Oscars and Cannes. Known for romance, fine tailoring, and Italian craftsmanship, celebs like Zendaya, Anne Hathaway, and Lady Gaga wear Valentino on red carpets. The Valentino Garavani Rock Stud collection blends classic with edgy. The brand maintains a rare balance of tradition and innovation. Valentino's luxury image gives it a brand worth of over $1.5 billion. Tom Ford, American glamour at its finest, created by former Gucci director Tom Ford in 2005. Known for ultra-sleek suits, sharp fragrances, and Hollywood style. Celebs like Jay-Z and James Bond, Daniel Craig, swear by Tom Ford suits. The brand is all about confidence, power, and high-end fashion. Tom Ford beauty products are among the most expensive on the market. In 2022, Estée Lauder acquired Tom Ford for $2.8 billion. Today, it remains a symbol of modern American luxury. Versace, loud, proud, and luxurious, founded by Gianni Versace in 1978 in Milan. Famous for bold prints, Medusa logo, and daring styles. Celebs like Beyoncé, Jennifer Lopez, and Dua Lipa rock Versace globally. Versace is all about power, sex appeal, and runway drama. Signature items include silk shirts, baroque prints, and gold-accented accessories. Capri Holdings acquired the brand for $2.1 billion in 2018. Versace's brand value continues to rise with global youth appeal. Other expensive luxury fashion names you should know: Celine, French elegance mixed with modern minimalism. Fendi, Italian fur and leather luxury since 1925. Givenchy, known for elegant tailoring and red carpet royalty. Bottega Veneta, the quiet luxury of woven leather and clean designs. Saint Laurent, rock and roll meets Parisian chic. Alexander McQueen, avant-garde fashion blended with British heritage. Loewe, Spanish craftsmanship meets modern art. Off-White, streetwear turned luxury, founded by Virgil Abloh. Why are these brands so expensive? High-quality materials like crocodile leather, silk, and gold accents. Handcrafted and limited edition production. Decades of brand heritage and global trust. Celebrity endorsement, and elite red carpet appearances. Carefully controlled availability, luxury is rare by design. Bold marketing and unforgettable runway experiences. Innovation mixed with timeless fashion values. What makes a brand luxury? Luxury isn't just price, it's emotion, experience, and excellence. These brands offer not just clothes, but a lifestyle. Owning luxury means joining an exclusive global club. From the stitching to the store design, every detail matters. It's about prestige, performance, and perfect presentation. The power of fashion as status. Luxury fashion brands aren't just products, they are passports to power. People don't just wear them, they invest in identity, class, and creativity. As trends come and go, these brands hold their place at the top. Whether you're admiring or aspiring, luxury fashion tells a story of elegance and ambition. Which of these luxury brands is your favorite? Drop your answer in the comments. Like this video if you love luxury, and don't forget to subscribe for more stylish content. See you in the next video where luxury speaks louder than words. Briefcase emoji, sparkles emoji, subscribe for more luxury stories and fashion secrets. Hit the bell icon so you never miss a drop of exclusive content. Comment which brand you would buy if money was no object. Share this video with your luxury loving friends and let the world know you live in style.